Hey guys, in today's video we are comparing the DJI Mini 3 Pro against the Autel Nano Plus. Let's go. So both of these drones share similar features and similarities. Both are also similar on price as well, and both are under 250 grams. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is $909 for the top package, and then the Autel Nano Plus is $1,099 again for that top package. Just remember those figures. We're going to test first of all the Autel Nano Plus, and we're going to be concentrating on the camera quality between both of them, and also how each one performs and the wind resistance. So it is about 25 mile/hour winds today, flying in these conditions, and straight away the Nano Plus doesn't seem to be very happy. You can see it's struggling quite a bit already. However, look how stable the Mini 3 is. But let's talk about the first fail. So the Nano Plus, filming here in 4K 25 FPS like I always do, and when I got back and looked at the footage I was like, that looks awful. What is going on here with this footage? Then when I put it into Final Cut Pro, it's actually filmed in 720p. So again, I've not had the best of starts with the Nano Plus, with the software. I've mentioned it quite a few times about it being a bit hit and miss. And this is a major fail. Second fail. So the Nano Plus, if we just take a look here at the speed here, you can see as it's flying into the wind, and let's not forget it's 25 miles an hour wind, so the last video was much stronger than this. It's hardly moving at all. It's going about 2 kilometers an hour and it will not go forward. It isn't strong enough to continue through those winds. And again, this is the footage that I got when I got back. Now,
stop recording.
Also,
Aircraft
this is what you hear
unstable
all
due
the
to
time.
the strong wind. Please return to home. Start recording. Stop recording. Start recording. Stop recording.
It's no joke. Every time you stop and start recording, you hear that. So the problem about the performance with this is the confidence that you will have in your drone. Again, you can see the drone is getting blown back here. This is in sports mode, or what Autel calls ludicrous mode, and standard mode. The drone is getting blown back. So the only option I have here is basically just to change course. There's not enough power to get back with this drone in ludicrous mode. So having here to change the course and the altitude to get it back. So what do we think about the confidence in your drone in that technology that you have? So again, power, wind resistance and trust from this flight, zero. Big fail there. So in the same wind, same conditions, let's take the Mini 3 Pro as well. We're going to take this off and then see how this performs. And it's got GPS lock. Both did have GPS lock, and you can see already it looks a lot more stable in the winds there. It's not wobbling around, it's not really having a lot of problems just yet. But keep an eye, this is where the DJI Flash shows the speeds. We're going to head over and basically try and follow the same flight path as before, if the Autel footage came out well. But stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to do a comparison the day after. So this is in normal mode, this is not even in sports mode, and you can see the Mini 3 Pro handles this wind like it's just not even there. It's incredible. I've not even put it into sports. Let's look at some photos, and let's not forget this is in the same wind conditions that the Autel Nano Plus couldn't even fly in, and I'm able to get footage, JPEG and raw images like this. Really stable shots, nothing blurred, nothing out of focus, super sharp images. It's absolutely incredible. And that's what it's all about. Not only the camera performance, but the confidence in the drone and the software. So for this package, you also get the controller, so I can see clearly on this really large screen exactly what is going on. So the controller, it's a huge upgrade of what you would get with just a standard non-screen model on the Nano Plus. But critically, being able to fly in normal mode, not even sports mode, in these strong winds while still being able to get this quality just ticks even more boxes on this Mini 3 Pro. So I hope you agree that there's only one winner there on the wind test, on the performance. Who actually came out a winner there? Well, there was only one winner. It was obvious. But the next day I wanted to try this again. So let's get the Nano Plus back in the air along with the Mini 3 Pro, and let's do a comparison on the actual footage. And this time the footage worked. So what do we think? Now both of these drones are the best in their class for under 250 grams, and the cameras on both of these drones are really good. It's outstanding on both. I think personally the Mini 3, the colours look a lot more natural. If you look into the clouds, there's more dynamic range there. The Nano Plus, although the colours are really nice, you do find a lot of over sharpening on these shots, so it doesn't look as natural. The Mini 3, them colours on the grass there, that just looks beautiful. This is straight out of camera, so this has got no editing on here. This is the Mini 3 Pro, and then the Nano Plus also straight out of camera. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below, which footage do you prefer. We're going to have a quick look at the zoom now. So if we zoom in, you'll notice that the Nano Plus zoom, it's quite pixelated. It's not as good. I think you'll find that the Mini 3 on the left is a lot clearer. But again, both of these drones for the under 250 grams, they are the best. You can't go wrong. I just personally find myself, my opinion, is that the Mini 3 Pro, the colours are nicer, more natural, and not as overly sharpened. These two drones dominate the 250 gram drone category, but from the test today there is only one clear winner. To have the confidence in the drone that you fly in is key. You have to trust that technology, and we've not even touched upon the other features on the Mini 3 Pro. So that wind performance, the remote control, the trust and the power in this drone, I think is more than worth it. And let's not forget, the Nano Plus is actually more expensive at $1,099. You can pick up this model I was flying with today for $909. If you want to pick it up, I'll link in the description below. Don't forget, we're also doing a giveaway by Freewell, so all you've got to do is comment down below why you would want to win a Mini 3. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, subscribe to Freewell's channel, and we're going to be doing the draw for that drone on May 20th, so good luck to everybody there. Just a quick note to anybody here who's commenting, please don't reply or respond to any comments that say Telegram and then my name. These spammers seem to be all over YouTube at the moment, so be really wary. I will never ask you for any details, and certainly never anything on Telegram, so please be wary about that. But I can't wait to show you another test with these two drones, which is going to be a nighttime test. We'll see just how close that is. But thanks so much for the support, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.